to take these melamine boards and turn them into a scarf joint jig for a guitar neck. This piece is going to be the base. This piece I'm going to cut in half and use for the walls. Now I'm going to cut this down to 3 3/8 just to clean up both sides. So I took this square, marked out where I wanted the flat end, and then rolled it up to 10 because I wanted it to go with this line there. And I just marked the 10 there, drew a line, and then I went and measured it afterwards. It looks like it's 11, so good enough for me. I'm going to take it to the bandsaw and I'm going to cut as close to the line as I can. And take out a bit with a bearing on it, put it onto my router. And use some of this double stick tape. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to route this edge flat. This is going to be a 10-degree angle with just a fixed base. I don't need to make bigger angle ones, I just want to try and see if I can do this one time. My plan is to make a couple electric guitars, and I struggle with the neck idea. I don't really want to make a Telecaster style neck. I'd rather make a angled headstock. So hopefully this jig works. Spent a lot of time trying to line this up. I think I have it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drill some holes and just try to get it locked in. Alright, here's what we got when it's all assembled together now. I'm going to start setting it up and run a couple tests on it. The angle ended up being 11 degrees. Now this is how easy you can draw that angle on the rough piece you're going to cut. There's an 11-degree angle right there. There's the two lines. Now I'm going to take this to the bandsaw and do the rough cut for them. This is going to go back in this jig and it's going to get routed down. The plan is to line up these two together, stick them together, and then route them together. I'm going to use this as the flat edge here. For this job I'll be using a foot pedal. I'm just showing one pass here, but it did maybe 3 or 4 passes. Just want to hit it with a bit of sand. See when I do it, when I do the clip, there's not going to be a gap. The beauty with this jig is you don't even have to use your protractor. This is an 11-degree angle, so I can just firmly hold it against it. And we're done. Do this one too. This jig seems to work pretty good. I hope you're able to get something useful out of it. Feel free to leave comments if you want to know anything else. Thanks for watching.